I'm attorney Rick Banks, and I want to thank you for visiting my website. As you've probably already discovered, there's lots of information about bankruptcy on the internet, so I'm not going to bore you with legal information now. I'll save that for another video. What I want to talk to you about is the personal side of my bankruptcy law practice. Almost without exception, people who come to me for bankruptcy advice express that they're embarrassed and hate to even consider filing for bankruptcy protection, and that's completely understandable. I've never met anyone who wanted to file bankruptcy, but things have happened in their lives. They've reached a point where they can't make financial ends meet. They've got creditors calling all hours of the day and night. They've been robbing Peter to pay Paul, and now Peter's completely tapped out. Oftentimes there's been some major event that caused the financial troubles. They lost a job, there's been a major medical situation, or they've got an interest rate or balloon payment on a mortgage they can't afford. Whatever reason you're considering for filing for bankruptcy, know that the bankruptcy laws were created to give people a fresh start. It's likely that you may know friends, family members, co-workers, and neighbors who have filed, but they just don't advertise it. Also know that there have been lots of famous people throughout history who needed a fresh start. Just a few examples: President Abraham Lincoln filed twice, Donald Trump, the billionaire real estate investor, Francis Ford Coppola, the Oscar-winning film director, Walt Disney, Henry Ford, Larry King, the talk show host. The list goes on and on. As you're also probably aware, these same people went on to be very successful after their bankruptcy, and so can you. Bankruptcy is something that's probably not your first choice to make, but fortunately it is a choice that you do have. The most important message I could give anyone is not to be ashamed of having to file. If you've reached a point where there's just not enough money to pay the bills, if you're tired of not answering your phone because bill collectors are calling, if you're stressed out, your family is suffering from all the financial stress, then give me a call. Let me help stop the collections, the home foreclosures, the repossessions and garnishments. My office staff will treat you with respect. You can come in and talk to me about your situation, and we'll figure out what's the best route for you to take. The consultation won't cost you anything but about an hour of your time. Thanks again, and I look forward to meeting with you.